X-Cite NOVEM Control, NIS Elements. NIS Elements use turbo drivers to control the NOVEM. To have access to all LEDs in the NOVEM, ensure that all groups have been set up per the NOVEM installation video. To get started, connect your NOVEM to the computer via USB and turn on your NOVEM. The first thing we need to do is identify which COM port the NOVEM unit is connected to. You can access COM port information by opening your device manager. Scroll down to Ports and expand the list to view port assignments. In this case, the NOVEM is on COM port 7. Run Elements Setup. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Select your various options until you reach the device's screen. Select Excelitas and all the associated devices. Click Finish. Now launch NIS Elements. Click Devices, then Device Manager. Click Devices. Double-click Lumen Dynamics Turbo. Select COM port. Check Show Temperature checkbox and click OK. Remove manual light. Right-click and select Remove from all configurations. Select EPI Light Path. Close this window. Click Devices, Show Light Path Scheme. Select the wavelengths you wish to use and close the master shutter for now. Use TurboPad to control your light source intensities. You are now ready to image with the X-Cite NOVEM and NIS Elements.